Guys, I haven't washed my hair in such a long time that there are literally snowflakes on my scalp right now. Today is the day when I properly wash my hair, and here's how I do it. Today is Monday, so I'm just gonna make this quick. Usually on Thursday nights, since Friday is also my hair wash day, I apply my DIY Chumpy hair oil. This basically gives thicker, longer, denser, healthier hair. If you want to know how I make this, check out my YouTube video. I have put out all the details how to make this gem, so you can follow that. And since today is Monday and I have to go wash my hair in like 40 minutes, I'm gonna spray my scalp and hair with this rosemary hair water. It's so convenient. I just have to section my hair and spray it on the lens and on my scalp, and it's done. For shampoo and conditioner, I keep changing my products, but these two products are the ones that I never change for my straight thin hair. And whoever visits my home and uses my shampoo, they're like, oh my god, this is such a great shampoo, I need one. It's not sponsored, I purchased it. It's the Bare Anatomies volumizing shampoo. This gives that volume that my thin hair doesn't have. It's really good. It's hydrating. First of all, it's really hydrating, and it says this is for thin and lifeless hair. So if you have that, go with the shampoo. Not sponsored. Second, I have been using this conditioner for like 3 years now, and it's empty. This is empty. There's only 1 ounce left, which I'm saving up for special day. I don't know what that special day is, but I'm manifesting. So when I have a special day, I'm gonna use the last bit of it and then repurchase it. If you use it, the straight hair will last you up to 72 washes, which is crazy. And whenever I use this, my hair is more straighter and less frizzier. Even if you have curly hair, this will control your frizz. If you have straight hair, this will smoothen out your hair and give you that smoother, straighter hair. Okay, and since this is almost empty, I have been using this serum from Wishcare. Yes, this is a serum, but you have to use this as a conditioner. Don't make that mistake. It says it's a serum, booster serum, but you have to use this as a conditioner, and this has been working well on repairing the damage because I use heat sometimes without the heat protectant, so it damages my hair and my hair looks brownish, fried hair, which I don't like, which is not good. If you have brown fried hair, you have to get it cut. I don't want to get my hair cut, so I'm trying to reverse that damage using this triple bond repair booster serum. This is a conditioner, don't go on the name. And oh my god, I used to think anti-hair fall shampoos are a big scam until I used this one from Wishcare, but I made a big mistake. I talked about this on my YouTube channel, and one of the comment, they said that they use this shampoo, but this is super drying. I could never find this out because whenever I use this shampoo, I always followed up with this shampoo. This is drying and this is hydrating, so I could never find out the difference that this shampoo is actually very drying until I tested it out myself. So yes, if you use this, your hair fall will stop, but this can dry out your hair, so follow up with a hydrating shampoo. Second, like today, my hair is actually very ultra dirty. Like there's buildup on my scalp. It's flaking out. So what I do, it's empty. Last bit is there. This will last me another month. It's 1% ketoconazole anti-dandruff shampoo, but I use this for clearing out my scalp. This has helped me get rid of that fungal acne that I usually get on my forehead because of this humidity. This is from Bee Body Wise. If you have serious dandruff issue, please go with a medicated 2% ketoconazole shampoo, but for starters, this is good enough. Not sponsored. Everything that I showed here is purchased. So that is it for today. I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. And also you can comment down for the links or check the caption for more product details that I've mentioned today. Bye.